बस जी लेना ना लेना यार सबर नहीं Assalamu alaikum. Today is a lecture of English grammar. We will discuss about the pronoun and its kind. Pronoun is a word. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. Let's pause pronoun. Here is Ali is my neighbor. So he is an honest man. So we use he is being used instead of Ali. We cannot repeat Ali. When we use he is basically a pronoun because here Ali is a noun. We use he. He is used instead of noun, and that's why we call he is a pronoun of noun Ali. In this sentence, Ali is a noun. When we use he instead of Ali, now he is a pronoun, and the noun which we use is Ali. This is the basic definition of the pronoun. When we use a pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun or instead of noun. Ali is my neighbor. He is an honest man. We do not repeat Ali, Ali, Ali. We use he. He is here. He is a pronoun that is used instead of noun. Noun is there Ali. So this is the basic definition of the pronoun. Now we will discuss about the kinds of pronoun. There are 9 kinds of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and distributive pronoun. Personal pronoun. First of all, we discuss about the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are used for the people, place, thing, and ideas. There are 2 types of personal pronoun: subject pronoun and the object pronoun. What are the subject pronoun and what are the object pronoun? Now we will discuss here. What are the subject pronoun? Subject pronoun are said to be in the nominative case, that is used in the first person case. Let's suppose I, we, you, he. Subject pronoun are those that is used in the nominative case. In the first person case, I, we, you, he, she, it, they are basically the subject pronoun that is used in the first person. Let's suppose here is the subject pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These are called the subject pronoun. Subject क्या होता है? फाइल होता है. ठीक है जी. जो काम करता है ना, और द हु और व्हाट द सेंटेंस जिसके बारे में कुछ कहा जाए. सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन और यूज्ड इन द नॉमिनेटिव केस. Let example of this is I, we, you, he, she, it. These are the example of subject pronoun. Let some example of the subject pronoun. I like to play tennis. Here the subject pronoun is I. I like to play tennis. You enjoy swimming. Here you is a subject pronoun. They are acting as a subject. So you is the subject pronoun. He wakes up early. So here he is used. He is basically a pronoun of what kind of pronoun? This is a as as I asked you earlier that these are the subject pronoun are said to be in the nominative case. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So he wakes up early. So he is a subject pronoun. She drinks milk. She is a here she is a subject pronoun. It has a tail. Here it is a subject pronoun. Now you can speak Spanish. Here you is a subject pronoun. They live in a house. Here they is a basically a subject pronoun. And these are the first person. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are basically the first person. Okay. Now we move towards the object pronoun. Object pronoun are also called object pronoun are the objective case. Let we discuss it. Object or the associative or objective case. Example of we use the third person. Let's suppose the first person I, second person my, me. Object pronoun use the third person. Let's suppose me. We is the first person and or second person. We are us. You first person. You yours you. Yours is the second person and you is the third person. And object pronoun we use the third person. Object is called the or in Urdu we call the maf'ul. जिस पे काम हो रहा हो. So he is the first person. He is him. He is the second person and him is the third person. As I asked earlier, in object pronoun we use the third person. She, her. She is the first person, her is the second, and her, next her is the third person. In object pronoun we use the third person. They are them. They is the first person, they are second person, and them is the third person. In object pronoun we use the third person. Let we discuss the some example of the object pronoun. Can you help me? Here, me is the third person and act as a object pronoun. Next example is I know you. Here, you is the example of the object pronoun because this is the third person. Next is she is not in love with him. Him here is object pronoun. Next example is he phones her every day. Here her is the object pronoun. I don't like it. Here it is also a object pronoun. Wait for us. Us is a object pronoun. Call them this evening. Here them is also a object pronoun. One thing must be kept in your mind. In the subject pronoun we use a first person and in the object pronoun we use a third person. In the subject pronoun we use a nominative case and in the object pronoun we use a associative or objective case. In the subject pronoun we use the first person I, we, you, he, she, they, it. And in the object pronoun we use the third person and they are called me, us, you, him, her, them. These are the object pronoun we use the third person. Now next topic is about the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows the possession. Possession means kabza, belong. That shows the ऑनरशिप या जिसे हम मलकियत कहते हैं, ये ऐसे प्रोनाउन जो आपको ऑनरशिप कब्जा के ये अपनी मलकियत शो करें. दिस इज नोन एज द possessive pronoun. Let some example of the possessive pronouns are let, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs. These are the example of the possessive pronoun. Now let this is his book. Here possessive pronoun is his. This watch is mine. So here possessive pronoun is mine. Let's pose another example. This is my laptop. It's mine. So here possessive pronoun is mine. Now next example is this is my brother book. It is his. Here possessive pronoun is his. These glasses are mine, not yours. Here possessive pronoun is yours. Next example, let's suppose he offered to swap his camera for hers. Here possessive pronoun is hers. Actually possessive pronoun shows the ownership, means malkiyat ya kabza, possession. Let's suppose next example is the house is yours. Here yours is the possessive pronoun and the ship is theirs. Here the possessive pronoun is theirs. Possessive pronoun actually shows the belonging, ownership, or the possession. Now let we again describe the basic of the pronoun. What are the pronoun? Again move towards the pronoun. As I will ask you earlier, a pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. Let's suppose Ali is my neighbor. He is a good boy. But when we repeat Ali again and again, this is noun. Why we use he? Actually, he is a pronoun. He is a good boy. He is an honest man. Here, he is a pronoun that is used instead of noun. Let's suppose there are kinds of pronoun. The kinds of pronoun is personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and the emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and distributive pronoun. Let we discuss the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are used for people, place, things, and ideas. There are two types of personal pronoun: subjective pronoun and subject pronoun and object pronoun. In subject pronoun, we use a first person. Subject pronoun, that's what we called in the nominative case. Let some example of the subject pronoun. I like a horse. I like horses. Here, subject pronoun is I. We talk to our neighbors. Here, subject pronoun is we. You speak very quickly. Here subject pronoun is you, and let's move towards the object pronoun. Object pronoun are said to be in the objective case. Let example of the object pronoun: me, us, you, him, her, them. These are the third person. Let's suppose example of the object pronoun. Can you help me? Here me is the third person. Me is the object pronoun. I know you. Here you is the third person. He phones her daily. Here her is the object pronoun. I don't like it. Here it is the object pronoun. Wait for us. Here us is the object pronoun. Call them this evening. Here them is the object pronoun. Now move towards the possessive pronoun. Basically possessive pronoun shows the possessions, belonging या ownership. ये मलकियत को शो करता है, कब्जे को शो करता है. Let possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and their. Some example of the possessive pronoun: this is his book. Here possessive pronoun is his. ये मलकियत को शो कर रहा है कि ये उसकी बुक है, उसका मालिक वो है. This watch is mine. Here possessive pronoun is mine. These glasses are mine. Here possessive pronoun is mine. This is my brother's book. It is his. Here his is a possessive pronoun. The house is yours. Here yours is a possessive pronoun. The ship is theirs. Here possessive pronoun is theirs. Ours is the next door. Here the possessive pronoun is the ours. This shows the possession mean kabza, belonging, ताल्लुक या ownership. Ownership means के मलकियत. This is known as the possessive pronoun. Now we will discuss about the next relative pronoun. A relative pronoun that relates to some noun before which is called its antecedent. Let's suppose example: I met Usman, who had just returned. Here relative pronoun that shows the relation. This is there. Here who is the relative pronoun. Next example is who, which, whose. Actually W words here is indicates the relative pronoun. That example: the woman who called yesterday want to buy the house. Here the relative pronoun is who. He is a man whose opinion I respect. Here relative pronoun is whose. He is the student whose handwriting is best in my class. Here relative pronoun is whose. Did you see the letter which came today? Here relative pronoun is which. Actually relative pronoun relates or refers to some noun going before which is called its antecedent. That, which, who are the example of the relative pronoun. Okay. The The boy who likes ice cream is her son. A relative pronoun is who. The, the students which had been live in this house for 2 days. Here which is a relative pronoun. Now we discuss about the interrogative pronoun. Interrogative are those in which something is being asked or show an interrogative mark या question mark at the end of a sentence कि कुछ पूछा गया हो इसमें ऐसे pronoun. Let's suppose these example of interrogative pronoun is who, whom, which, that, or whose. Let's suppose example is interrogative pronoun is who are you? Here interrogative pronoun first identification of the interrogative pronoun, there must be a question mark. And who are you? Here pronoun is interrogative pronoun is who. Next example is which book do you want? Here the example of the interrogative pronoun is which. Next one example is which one would you prefer? Here at the end there is a question mark. So here interrogative pronoun is which. Actually these are who, whom, which, what, or whose. Who like ice cream? To whom should I write this letter? Which should I wear? These are the examples of the interrogative pronoun. But again, we discuss about the pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Ali is my neighbor. Here we use he is an honest man. Here we use he. Here he is a pronoun instead of Ali. Ali is a noun and we use he. He is a pronoun. So he is being used instead of Ali. So this is a he is here used is known as a pronoun and the Ali which is used in before Ali is my neighbor. This is a noun. And there are kinds of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and distributive pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are used for people, place, things, and ideas. There are two types of personal pronoun: subject pronoun and the object pronoun. Let we discuss the subject pronoun. Subject pronoun are the who or what the sentence is about. Or the subject pronoun are said to be in the nominative case. Let's subject pronoun are basically the first person. I, we, you, he, she, they, it. These are the basically the first person. We talk to our some example of the subject pronoun. We talk to our neighbors. Here the subject pronoun is we. They listen to the teacher. Here subject pronoun is they. You speak very quickly. Here subject pronoun is you. So these are the nominative in these cases. So these are the example of the subject pronoun. Now let's move towards the object pronoun. Object pronoun are said to be in the accusative or objective case. Let examples of me. In object pronoun we use the third person me. Let's suppose first person I, my, me. Me is the third person. We or us. Us is the third person. You, yours, you. You is the third person. He, his, him. Him is the third person. She, her, her. Her is the third person. They, their, them. Them is the third person. Let some example of the object pronoun. She talked to us. Here, us is a object pronoun. Listen to me carefully. Here, me is used as a object pronoun. We watch them on TV. Here, object pronoun is them. These are the examples of the object pronoun. Now move towards the possessive pronoun. Let possessive pronoun shows the possession means कब्जा belonging या ownership मलकियत को शो करता है. Some example of the possessive pronoun is mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs. Let some example of the possessive pronoun. This is his book. Here possessive pronoun is his. This watch is mine. Here possessive pronoun is mine. This shirt is mine. Possessive pronoun is mine. The book is yours. Here possessive pronoun is yours. And the bird is ours. Here possessive pronoun is ours. The house is yours. Here possessive pronoun is yours. The car is theirs. Here possessive pronoun is theirs. Now move towards the relative pronoun. That relate to some noun going before which is called its antecedent. Let example that, which, who, whose. These are the example of the relative pronoun. I met Usman, who had just returned. Here the relative pronoun is who. Next example, the woman who called yesterday want to buy the house. Here relative pronoun is who. Who. Did you see the letter which came today? Here relative pronoun is which. He is a man whose opinion I respect. Here relative pronoun is whose. He is the student whose handwriting is best in my class. Here relative pronoun is whose. Now we discuss about the interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun are those in which something is being asked or shown in the intro in the question mark at the end of the sentence. These are the whom, who, which, what, or whose. Who are you? Here, who is the interrogative pronoun? Or which book do you want? One thing at the end there is a question mark and which identifies the interrogative pronoun. Which one would you prefer? Here, which is the interrogative pronoun. Who likes ice cream? Question mark. Here interrogative pronoun is who. Which should I wear? Here interrogative pronoun is which. What would you like to eat? Here interrogative pronoun is what. Any question related to the topic discuss in the chat, please. Possessive pronoun shows the belonging, possession, or ownership. Example of the possessive pronoun is mine, yours, his, her, ours, yours, theirs. Let some example of the possessive pronoun. This shirt is mine. Here mine is the possessive pronoun. This book is yours. Here yours is the possessive pronoun. The dog is ours. Here ours is the possessive pronoun. Relative pronoun that relates to some noun, which is called its antecedent. Examples of relative pronoun is who, which, whose. He is, let some example. He is a man whose opinion I respect. Here, whose is the relative pronoun. She is the he is the student whose handwriting is the best in my class. Here, relative pronoun is whose. I met Usman, who had just returned. Here, relative pronoun is who. Personal pronoun used for the people, place, or thing. There are two types of personal pronoun: subject pronoun and the object pronoun. In subject pronoun, we use the I, we, you, he, she, they, it. Subject pronoun or the nominative case. These are the first person. I am reading a book. He is a manager. Here he is a subject pronoun. They are good. They is a subject pronoun. Let's suppose we are manager. Here we is a subject pronoun. And for the object pronoun are said to be in the accusative or the objective case. Here me, us, you, him, her. These are the third person. These are the object pronoun. Can you help me? Here me is a object pronoun. I know you. Here you is a object pronoun. She is not love with him. Here him is the object pronoun. He phones her every day. Here her is the object pronoun. I don't like it. Here it is the object pronoun. Wait for us. Here us is a object pronoun. Call them this evening. Here them is a object pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. There the kinds of pronoun are personal, possessive, relative, interrogative. Today we discuss only four kinds. In next lecture we discuss the remaining kinds of the pronoun: emphatic, reflexive, demonstrative, indefinite, distributive. Possessive pronoun shows the possession, kabza, ownership, mine, yours. This book is mine. Here possessive pronoun is mine. This watch is mine. Here possessive pronoun is mine. This is his book. Here his is the possessive pronoun. You have only 3 minutes. Any question related to the topic discussed in the chat. Personal pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, as we already read in this class. Any question related to the topic discussed in the chat. Relative pronoun relates to the noun. Example of who, whose, which. The woman who called yesterday wants to buy the house. Here, who shows the relative pronoun. Did you see the letter which came today? Here, which is the relative pronoun. Whose. He is a man whose opinion I respect. Here, relative pronoun is whose. Any question related to the topic discussed in the chat? Remaining kinds we will discuss in the next lecture. You have only 1 minute left. Any question related to the topic discussed in the chat, please? Pronoun is a word that we use instead of noun. Let's suppose here Ali is a boy, Ali is a noun. He is an honest man. Here we use he. He is a pronoun that we use instead of Ali. Okay, the class is over.